think we do the triceps first. And for some of you, you haven't done this one yet. So it'd be interesting to see how you get on. So what you're going to do, you're going to come into an all fours position first. So the knees are about hip width apart. But what you're going to do is take your hands a bit further forward than normal. So you're like this. And pulling in through the abdominals. So you're not letting them all, don't let the tongue stick out. Pulling it in. Now you're going to start off, just going to let the elbows come down to the mat. And then what you do, think about as you lift up, you want to feel that there's something's going on in the triceps behind the arms. So you might have to go forward a bit more. Oh, no, what it is, sorry, you will lean forward a little bit. So from there, lean the hips forward a bit, put some more weight on, and now come down with the elbows. And then lift back up. I was doing this a couple of times last night. And I think it's brilliant for the triceps. So try that. So if you don't feel like you're doing anything, you have to lean forward a little bit with the hips and then come down to that mat and let the triceps do all the work. So I can feel that I was doing it last night. I'm feeling a little bit sore, but I'm hoping it's going to really toughen them up. Get rid of those bingo wings. And it doesn't put too much pressure on the shoulders. Keep lifting up through the abdominals. Feel free to just have a quick break after this. So we're just leaning back into our shell stretch. So get a nice stretch into the shoulders and just give you a bit of a break. Get something. We'll take the knee, I'm going to keep the knee bent, and actually I'm going to bring the knee in for the abs. Then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 squeezes into your bottom. So you've got your abs. You can do 2 squeezes for the abs if you want to. Just want to really work into that area. So it's 2 areas in one. Okay, last one. And then just take a quick rest on those wrists. Let's just come down onto our elbows. Tuck the toes under. So we're starting off with our half plank. So when you're ready, lifting up under the belly button and then pushing the shoulders behind slightly and just holding that position. You might be shaking. Keep breathing. So this is a really good exercise for your deep abdominal muscles. And come down.